Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics chapter globalization and the Indian economy. So today subtopic of this chapter is factors that have enabled globalization. So here the factors which are the very connecting through the world wide, that is a globalization, how they are the factors are the connected. So nowadays we can see the so much implementation, development, improvement in a technologies, that is the main important major factor that to the connecting the process of globalization. In the past 50 years, when we do the survey of the development, improvement or implementation of transportation in a technology, has improved a lot, and nowadays they are making the very fast deliveries in the goods across the long distance in a very low cost. We can see here some examples. We can take that when we turn the pages of these transportation of information and the transportation, first goods service are given in bullock carts, and the men, they are carrying one place to another place, and the goods trains. Now also we are using the some part of the same transportation transports the goods to one place to another place. Along with that, here development of in a technology, when we see that development in a technology and communication technology, it is a very important to the connect to the one country to another country. The main important technology that is connecting telecommunication, which they are implemented more implementation has done in a telecommunication, which is they are the connected to the computers and telephone, telegrams, mobile phones, smartphones. Yes, so this very important, that is the internet has been used in a telecommunication to making a use of facilities. So sitting in a one place, we can get all the information in a smartphones. They are the connecting the world the very easily, and they can access the information the very easily, the very easiest way we are the using nowadays. And this facility which is I think you all know about the satellites. Yes, so satellite communication devices, they are the using for to connect to these internet, TVs, radios, telephone, telegraphs. Yes, and another one important part nowadays we are the using, that is the computers. The computers we are the using, they are the very active actively we are the using in a, when we are the doing the education field, banking field, as well as in all the fields. Nowadays the computer is a main device to the storing the files, storing information. Yes, and they are making the closer to the each other, sending using the internet, and they are able to share the information easily with the help of the internet. The sending letters, that is email, the electronic mails, and talking to the each other Now video calls we can do, voice call we can do, voice mail we can do, that is in across the world, that within a fraction of the seconds we can connect to the people. Here one small two examples we can take to connecting to each other. The one is they are given about the transportation, which the transportation of the goods, they are the loaded intact with the connecting, sending the goods into one place to another place, that is ships, railways, planes and trucks. As so they are using those such a transportation nowadays. Airways, we are using airways, railways and the waterways, three also we are using for the send the goods. Next one, the using IT in a globalization. So here one example we can understand easily to how these communication technology and information technology using to the help to the one person to another person in the work. A newspaper magazine published in London, the readers is to designed and print in Delhi. See, the London and Delhi, they are the connecting through this IT. And the text of the magazine is sent through in the internet from the Delhi office, and that order of the magazine given by in a office of Delhi. The using these telecommunication facilities, they are the designed, and that when after the finishing that work, they are the sent through a computer, sent through a internet, and they are the printed in a London. And here not only the printing, the payment of that work also is done by in a internet banking, that is a e-banking. So this is a today's part. Tomorrow again we are discussing the another one subtopic of this globalization and the Indian economy chapter. For reference, you can refer NCERT 10th grade textbook. Thank you.